If you want to quickly start a fresh slide deck, this video will show you exactly how to create a new blank presentation in PowerPoint in just a few clicks. This is one of the simplest things you can do in PowerPoint, but it's also one of the most useful, especially when you want full control over your design from the very beginning. Whether you're making a school project, a business pitch, a training deck, or a personal presentation, starting with a blank presentation gives you a clean canvas to build on. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint launches, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens the main menu where you can manage presentations, open recent files, save your work, and create something new. From the File menu, click New. This takes you to the New Presentation screen, where PowerPoint shows different template options and starting points. Now, on this screen, look for the Blank Presentation option. This is the fastest way to begin with an empty slideshow instead of using a pre-designed template. Click Blank Presentation to select it. After that, you'll see the Create button. Click Create to open your new presentation. PowerPoint will immediately generate a brand new empty deck, ready for you to add titles, text, images, charts, icons, and anything else you want. Once your blank presentation opens, you can start building your slides from scratch without any extra formatting getting in the way. This is perfect if you want a custom look or if you already have a design idea in mind. And that's it. You've now created a new blank presentation in PowerPoint. It only takes a few steps, but knowing this basic process can save you time every time you start a new project. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.